Uptown Arts is a rent-to-own condo with top-of-the-line European brands, very low density with 12 units per floor, at nasa loob na siya ng mismong Bonifacio Global City. The good thing about rent-to-own payment scheme is hindi natin kailangan i-outright yung big amount of money ng mismong property natin. By just paying the down payment of 10% equity of the total contract price, you can now move in to your property once your unit is ready. The best thing also dito sa location ng Uptown Arts ay mayroon na tayong malalapit na multinational offices, international schools, cinema house, malls, church, chapel, services, restaurants, coffee shops, hospital, high-end clubs, and even grocery, which is Silanders. So, hindi lang Silanders, meron din tayo ditong malapit na SNR. Meron na rin tayong malapit na Metro Manila Subway Station, the project of the century, and perpetual ownership na rin tayo dito. Pet-friendly na rin sa mismong mall and properties ni Mega World dito sa Uptown BGC. Ongoing na rin yung mismong turnover ng mga units dito kay Uptown Arts. Kaya ngayon, hindi lang naman mga big cuts yung ino-offer namin, but also we have studio units and then 1 bedroom na available dito. Ang kinagandahan pa dito sa mismong unit na to, kapag na-turnover na sa inyo, it's very livable. Kumbaga dito, konti na lang yung idadagdag natin para magamit natin yung mismong unit. And also, sa baba ng Uptown Arts, you're just 1 elevator away sa mismong Wolfgang Steakhouse. Napaka-prime nitong mismong unit na 3-bedroom dito sa Uptown Arts. It's because meron na tayong view ng Mitsukoshi Mall, which is the Japanese mall, Makati Skyline sa mismong master's bedroom, at syempre Ortigas Skyline. Hindi lang din dyan nagtatapos yung kagandahan ng unit na to. It's because pwede natin tong maging business rentals like Airbnb, long-term rentals, or for retirement home po ninyo. At para naman sa mga clients na based abroad, we can do project presentation via Zoom para mas ma-explain ko sa inyo yung mismong property dito sa Uptown BGC. For as low as 60,000 reservation fee, you can now own a property here in Uptown Arts. So if you want to know more about this pre-selling project, you can message my details down below. I am Andy from Mega World at the Fort in Quer now. Bye!